She's here! There's that cool brace.
Good shoes. Good socks on. That's my sock. Where's my socks?
What's the Barney song you were singing?
Where's my socks?
Hi.
Where's my sock? You love me for a happy family with a great hug, big hug, and a kiss for me to you. Won't you come and say you love me too?
All right. Here we are on our way to therapy school.
Can we go past this?
Uh-huh.
Whoa. Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Whoa.
Whoopsie daisy. There you go.
He's going the wrong way.
Yeah, he is going the wrong way. The arrow says that the arrow is pointing the other way, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, he's parking there.
Okay. Come on, we're going this way.
Why?
Isn't this where we go?
No.
Oh, you know the way, don't you?
See?
Yes? Okay,
This
let's go.
door inside.
Yep. You knew the right way.
There's like two doors.
2 doors?
Inside.
Uh-huh.
One is outside and one is in the middle and one is out and one is inside.
Oh, I gotcha.
That feels good.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I see the picture?
Uh-huh. After I'm done. It's a video.
Oh!
Whoa. Now you're gonna ham it up, aren't you? Come on. Come on. Hop.
Ew!
Okay, come on. It's just cobwebs. Alina, come on. You're cold?
Excuse me.
Come on.
Say hop.
Hop.
We jump.
Whoa. Okay, hop in there. Whoa.
I gotta wash my hands.
Okay. Put it underneath. There you go. All right.
Dirty hands.
Okay.
I don't want to
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Bye. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Thanks, Purse. Guess we are hanging out, getting ready for Game 7 and getting ready for Halloween, and it is chocolate.
At your nighttime brace. Can you pull up your pants leg so you can see a little bit better? Yeah. Here's your nighttime brace. It's quite a rig there. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. What are you doing? Elena, what are you doing? What are you doing? We got
I
plenty.
got you.
We got.
Hooray! Do it again. Hooray! Can you take a picture? Do it again.
What are you going to be for trunk or treat?
Butterfly.
A butterfly? Okay, let's go. Can you fly across over here? Yeah, there you go.
Open the door. Can I take a video?
I am.
Ooh. Uh-oh. This happened.
Gotta get back on there.
Good job.
That helps it steer.
Where do you want to go?
Uh-huh.
He has orange eyes.
He has orange eyes.
See?
Yeah.
Can you take a picture of it?
I will when you're done.
Look. Acuso medidas. Yes. That's in Spanish.
Uh-huh. What does that mean?
Turn down 50.
Hmm.
Uh-oh, look.
Uh-huh. Good job, Elena. I am so proud of you. That is great.